And Nadi businesses continue to lose tens of thousands of dollars each day in revenue as shops are still closed for business. The once bustling hot town turned into a lake of muddy water overnight, and business people in the town say that it's something traders in the jet set town have to forecast for every year. Fiji One News caught up with a stationery supplier who says that what is supposed to be the most profitable time for his business is now literally gone down the drain.
We were having a back to school at the moment. Well, we are losing about $6,000 per day at the moment.
Drainage has been a problem for the tourist capital for many years now, but according to Vikash, authorities in Nadi have exhausted all avenues to keep the town from flooding.
Drainage is a problem, the problem is there, and council has done a good job and the police people have done a good job, but I don't think much can be done to here. Much can't be done to avoid the flood. The dredging has helped a lot. But still, we thought the flood might not come, but it did came.